log in using your Google account. So you have to choose the Google account that you use to sign up for YouTube TV. Once you log in, you should come to the home page here, and on the top right, again on a computer, you should see your icon here. Go ahead and click it, and you should have a settings option. Go ahead and click that. And it's very easy. It will give you the membership option right on top, and it will say cancel membership. So you could select that. And if your membership is through Apple, it's a different process. I'll show you that right at the end of this video. But if it's managed here, you could cancel your membership right over here. So let's do it on mobile here too. You could go to Safari. Again, go to that website, tv.youtube.com. Again, press already a member so you could log into your Google account here. And it had me launch the mobile app. So if you have the mobile app, it's going to bring you here. Again, you could click the icon that has your name here, go to settings, and go to membership, where you could cancel your membership here. Again, if it's managed by Apple, you'll have to manage your Apple subscription. So let's look at how we cancel if we have it on an Apple subscription. What you want to do is go to the settings of your phone, so the settings icon, click your name here on top, and then go to iTunes and App Store. Click that, and it will bring you to this page where you have to press the Apple ID icon right on the top here. Press Apple ID, say View Apple ID. That's your next option here. And here you'll have to look at subscriptions. So towards the bottom, you see subscriptions. Go ahead and press that. And it will show you all the subscriptions that you have. And in this case, I sign up for YouTube TV through there. So I could click here to edit my subscription, and you see that plan I have, YouTube TV right here, the $40 plan. I could just go ahead and cancel subscription here. It says yes, and you have to confirm cancellation. Go ahead and press that. And now the YouTube TV account has been canceled. So if I go back, it's gonna show up here because it's active for a few more days here. But if I went to it, I'll have to click one of these to subscribe. So on January 22nd, for example, this is gonna disappear and it's not gonna bill me again. So that's how you cancel it if you sign up on an Apple device.